Hello everyone, this is Disha. Welcome back to the channel Medical Disha. Since MCC has released the first round of allotment, I was getting a lot of queries about which college I got. So in this video, I will be telling the name of my college and the reasons I selected that college. So when I was preparing for NEET UG exam, I never thought of a college. Like there are some students who make a target that they have to get a seat in that particular college, but I made a target to get a seat in a government college, any college it be. So after the NEET results were announced, I got 668 marks and All India rank of 1754. From that point onwards, I started searching about colleges and the process of counseling and all. And I found that at the UG level, our college doesn't really matter a lot. What matters is that it should be a government college attached with a hospital having a very good patient load. So I got Dr. B.R. Ambedkar State Institute of Medical Sciences, Mohali. I was allotted this college through the state counseling and it is very near to my home. It is just 3 kilometers away from my house. It is a newly opened college in my city and the only medical college of my city. So at my rank, I was getting a lot of good colleges, top colleges of India and many AIIMS. Except AIIMS Delhi, I could go to any AIIMS. But still I selected this newly opened college close to my home. And I will be telling you the reasons I selected these colleges. Selecting a college is a very big decision. It decides the course of our life and it should be a very wise decision. It depends on many factors. So I will be telling you the reasons I selected Dr. B.R. Ambedkar State Institute of Medical Sciences, a newly opened college near my home. So the very first point is the academics. Academics of the college means the studies that depends on the faculty, that depends on the teachers. So the teachers at my college, they are very good doctors. All the doctors from PGI, which is a very good institute, and they are all from very reputed colleges. They all are very enthusiastic to get their first batch, and since we will be a small batch of 100 students only, we will be very close to our teachers. Means there will be no seniors. We are the first batch of the college, so we can take any help from our teachers, which is not so in other colleges, and they will be always ready to help us. We will be very close to them, and I think that is a very big advantage. So I think that being close to our teachers means being good at academics. That was a very important reason. And the second point is infrastructure. The college is newly opened, so it has all the labs well equipped with all the modern facilities. Like in our college, we have all the digital classrooms, all our lecture theaters, dissection hall, practical labs, all are well equipped and they have the best of the best modern facilities. Although the campus will be a bit small as compared to other established colleges, but that really doesn't matter to me a lot. What matters to me is that it is having all the modern facilities, all the modern equipments, digital labs, very good teachers, and that's it. Third point why I selected this college is because it is associated with a very good established hospital, the only civil hospital in our city. It is established with that, and it receives a very good patient load. Means it is always crowded. It is the only government civil hospital in our city, so people will go there only. There is no other option. So a very good patient load, and here only the college is new, hospital is very old, very established. So and since we will be a small batch, we will get all the focus of our teachers and clinical postings in our hospitals, and it is very crowded. So I think that is a reason which matters while selecting a college, is that the patient load is very nice. The fourth point is optimum performance and mental health. For me, this was the most important point, because if I go to another college, to any AIIMS or to any other college outside my city, I would have to stay away from my home in a hostel. And being at hostel, I would have to think about the food, the travel, and lot of things apart from studies. And being at my home, I have to just think about my studies. So I think that I will be at a optimum performance at my home. I will be most optimum being in my home, like I can study according to me. I would not have to worry about the food, about the travel, etc. So it was my personal opinion, my personal preference to stay at my home itself. And apart from it, mental health is most important. There is no health without mental health. And I learnt this point from Anuj Patel sir. I saw his video regarding his college selection, and then I realized that point, the words touched to my heart, and I realized that mental health is very important and I will be mentally strong staying at my home itself. And it was a very big factor regarding my college selection. And for the UG level, college doesn't really matter a lot, and the college that matters is from where we pursue our post graduation. And for that, again, we have to appear for a entrance exam. We have to compete with the most intelligent and most smart people of our country, and for that we need a proper preparation. We have to be very good at it. So being at home, I would be at my best level of performance. That's why I selected this college. So these were all my personal opinions and my personal preferences about college selection. What matters to me may not matter to you. Your preferences may be quite different from me. So you always have to select your college wisely, not not under the influence of what your friends are doing or what other people say you. It should be your own personal choice. So all of you should select your college wisely when you will get through the NEET next year. Thank you. I hope this video helps you.